When planning for survival, it's essential to think about storing emergency supplies securely. One effective method is using burial containers or stashes. But what should you put in them? And where should you hide them? First, you need a robust container. It should be waterproof, airtight, and durable enough to withstand the elements. Options like PVC pipes or military-grade ammunition cans are popular because they offer excellent protection against moisture and pests. Think about what you'll need if you can't access regular supplies. Cash, firearms, ammunition, and knives are crucial for protection and trade. Also, include food with a long shelf life, water purification tablets, first aid supplies, and a basic toolkit. Maps and navigational tools can be invaluable if you're forced to relocate. Location is everything. You want a place that's accessible but not obvious. Avoid flood zones or areas that might be developed in the future.